how to buy Thug Life token. So this token came under the symbol of gang. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Check their Telegram channel too, they included in their X account. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. To be able to buy this token, what you need to do, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Open your Phantom wallet for that. Log into your wallet first. So after that, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet, of course. Now here, type paste your token address. So this is our token, click on it. So here, type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will receive of that token. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from your customer, because the most issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy gang token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.